Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Monday, February 6. Another 10 police divisions have received pre-owned vehicles as the Ministry of National Security continues to improve the mobility of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The police divisions are located in Westmoreland, Hanover, Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, St. Andrew, and St. Thomas. 38 pre-owned vehicles have been distributed to police divisions since October last year. During that period, officers have also received 26 new motorbikes. The procurement process for the remainder of the pre-owned vehicles is underway. Public passenger vehicle (PPV) operators whose road licenses expired between 2014 and 2016 have been granted a 2-month amnesty to get their affairs in order. The Transport Authority says the amnesty is in effect from February 6 to March 31. It applies to route taxi as well as Hackney, rural stage, contract, and express carriage licenses. Under the expired road license amnesty, the vehicle must meet the Transport Authority's required standard. The operator must also be willing to pay up all outstanding fees to facilitate the renewal of the road license, subject to the availability of the route. Operators who had started but did not complete the licensing process will be asked to provide proof of the circumstances that prevented them from completing it. The Transport Authority is urging public transport operators to take advantage of the amnesty and avoid losing their licenses permanently. In the meantime, work is now underway to construct a new administrative office for the Island Traffic Authority in Maypen, Clarendon. Transport Minister Mike Henry broke ground for the $15 million project on Friday. The new facility will replace the existing structure on Trenton Road, which has been in operation for nearly 70 years but has fallen into disrepair.
The facility, when completed, will serve as an office for the examination depot and will provide all the services, fitness certificates, examinations for driver's license, fitness reports, among others.
The Caribbean Maritime Institute, CMI, is implementing the project and will utilize 20-foot and 40-foot containers to construct the building. A significant portion of the work will be done by students enrolled in CMI's School of Advanced Skills.
Since they'll be used to aid in the delivery of the project, I must also mention that there'll be quite a bit of cost saving as a result.
The project will be completed by general renovation of the property and the installation of a sewage treatment facility. Work is slated for completion within 4 months. Government is expanding the reach of its emergency medical service, EMS, with plans to open a new facility at the Waterford Fire Station in Portmore. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Dr. Horace Chang, made the announcement on Saturday at a graduation ceremony for 107 firefighters.
The medical emergency service is always called upon in the urban areas, and I find it very important that the fire service be equipped not only in terms of training, but in terms of the level of equipment you have and supplies to deal with these matters.
The new site will be outfitted with amenities inclusive of an ambulance. The Jamaica Fire Brigade began EMS in 1996 in the western towns of Savannah-Lamar and Negril in Westmoreland, Ironshore in St. James, and Lucy, Hanover. Minister Chang says the EMS will be expanded throughout the rest of the island. The EMS facilities are staffed by emergency medical technicians who respond to road traffic accidents, life-threatening trauma, severe bleeding, and unconscious persons, among others. And finally, a new pathology laboratory is being constructed on the property adjoining the Mandeville Regional Hospital to serve the parishes of Manchester, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth. The Lions Club of Mandeville is facilitating the construction, which is expected to cost just over $34 million.
We are nowhere near our target of $34 million. And as we launch the project today, I take this opportunity to appeal to corporate Jamaica to come on board with us to make the laboratory a reality in the shortest possible time.
Minister of Health, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says the project is an example of the kind of private-public partnerships that the ministry is keen on fostering. His message was delivered by Chairman of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen.
The reality is that we need almost twice the size of the current central Ministry of Health budget if we are to adequately fulfill the health and wellness needs of the public. The regional hospitals, intending to meet the medio-social needs of various communities, have to provide the proper facilities, of which specialized laboratory services are a basic requirement.
The new pathology lab will strengthen the services of the Southern Regional Health Authority and eliminate the need for the region's lab tests to be processed at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.